Hey, what's going on, family? I'm Sir Ashley, and if you're considering a 55 and older community in the greater Charlotte area, this video might save you from the biggest regret I see buyers making right now. Carolina Riverside isn't just another retirement community. It's completely transforming how active adults live in North Carolina. Now, this community is located in Belmont, North Carolina, along the stunning Catawba River. This Webb community. Now, Webb also makes Pulte and Syntex homes, but this community offers something most other communities don't. The perfect balance of peaceful living with just a 20-minute drive to uptown Charlotte and everything Charlotte has to offer. But in the next few videos, I'm going to share with you what most people fail to realize until it's too late. The floor plan you choose will make or break your retirement experience. That's why today I'm taking you inside the Contour model, but in the next few days, I'll be presenting you every single model home they offer at Carolina Riverside. And I'm talking about homes from every single collection. And no matter the budget, there's a collection for you in this beautiful Webb community. Now today we're going to tour the Contour floor plan. Now once you step inside this floor plan with me, you'll immediately notice what makes Webb different from those other cookie cutter 55 plus communities, which are popping up everywhere here in the greater Charlotte area. This Contour floor plan offers approximately 1,700 square feet. Now you could have a loft. There's actually a quick move in that will be available in September that offers a loft, and it will be significantly larger than the 1,700 square feet. But the base 1,700 square feet that we're going to go into today feels much larger thanks to 3 design secrets most builders won't even tell you about. So come with me, let's go inside of this Contour floor plan, and I will point out these 3 design features that most people overlook that makes this square footage feels much larger than what it actually is. Let's go. Now we're going into this Contour floor plan. Now the Contour is part of the Scenic Collection. This is their entry-level collection here at this community. Again, we are at Carolina Riverside by Webb, and you just see the quality of the outdoor exterior, which is James Hardy. When you come in, you have a little foyer area. This takes you to the 2-car garage. And then this door right here is the utility closet. Then when you come off of the garage, you have a coat closet right here. Now when you go into the home, right past the foyer area, it opens up into this little sitting area, which you can use as a sitting area or an office. I just like how much natural light. You have those transom windows up top. Really nice use of space right here. It really makes, again, this space feel a lot larger than 1,700 square feet. You have the first full bath right here. Now in this bath, you have a tiled floor to ceiling. In the shower, you have tile on the floor. And this is bedroom number 1. Now this floor plan, as is, comes with 2 bedrooms. Now, as I said, you could have a loft with a 3rd bedroom. That is an option. And that option is available if you wanted to purchase a quick move-in in September 2025. Now this is your kitchen. This is the first secret is the positioning and layout of the kitchen. See, this kitchen is tucked away in a corner, so it allows more openness for the rest of the floor plan. It's not right in the middle of everything. So that is one design element that allows this 1,700 square foot floor plan to feel much more substantial. You also have this pantry right here. Now, in the kitchen, you had a quartz countertop, beautiful backsplash. We're about to go outside and we're about to see this covered lanai that extends the full length of the house. And the way they did the backyard is magnificent, just to give you options and ideas of what you can do when creating your back home when you decide to make Carolina Riverside your home. Here we are looking at the living room, a better look at the dining area, and here is the laundry room. Now the second design feature that I want to highlight is this tray ceiling with the recessed lighting that gives it a luxury feel. And then the 0 entry shower makes it a breeze going in and out of your shower. Now, 55 and older communities is known for their accessibility and comfort features. This just highlights that. You have a walk-in closet, large dual vanity sink, countertop, a water closet, as well as a linen closet here in the owner's suite. Now, this contour floor plan, even with a loft that's substantially over 1,700 square feet that you see here, can be purchased for well below $600,000. And you get all the amenities in the community, which we haven't touched on. Be sure to follow and go in the description. You'll hear more about the community and what it has to offer, as well as download my guide to 55 and older communities right here in the greater Charlotte area. I'm Sir Ashley. Talk to you soon.